guys, my name is Hannah Autry.
And I'm Chloe Neiman, and we're human nutrition and dietetics students at SIU.
And today we are going to showcase an ingredient that we got from the food pantry at SIU, which is canned turkey. And we're going to make some turkey chili today. So the first thing that we're going to do is chop up our veggies. We have some fresh bell pepper, which is also local and are really in season right now and really actually pretty cost effective these days. And then we also have some onion and we have some garlic. So these are the veggies that we're going to go ahead and chop. I already have some of them chopped here, so we're just going to continue and chop those.
Kidney beans, which are a great source of protein, and you can even mash them up. And so if you don't like the texture of the bean, it's kind of hidden in the chili, and it adds a great source of protein. We also have a blend of spices: dried oregano, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. And of course, you can alter the chili powder to how spicy or not spicy you'd like it. And then our base is a canned tomato.
So I'm going ahead and I'm going to do a small chop on these. You can do the chop as big or as small as you like. You just have to make sure that you remember that the bigger the chop, the longer the vegetable is going to take to cook. So we're just going to, once I get done chopping these, we're going to go ahead and throw them into the pot. And we're going to also throw our meat in there. Since it's already processed, we don't have to worry about cross-contamination. So we're going to go ahead and throw everything in and try to get the meat a little more colorful and a little more flavorful. So we're going to go ahead and put these in our bowl. And we're going to get our pan heated up. Have our chili. This is the plain chili where you could just eat it with a spoon and maybe put some crackers in it. And then we also have chili over rice with cheese. And there's so many options that you could do with chili. You could do chili over tater tots or chili over Fritos. You could do chili cheese fries, which is my personal favorite. So Chloe's going to give us a taste test and let us know how she likes it.
Very good.
Yeah? What spices are coming through for you? Is it very spicy or?
No, it's not very spicy at all.
Not very spicy.
You can definitely make it more spicy if you wanted to.